The chuck roast is now seasoned. We put that rub on, just some coarse kosher salt, crushed black pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and we binded it with Worcestershire sauce. Yeah, however you say that. Anyway, grill is up to temp. We got a little bit of energy kicking. Been a long work week, let me tell you. This payoff is going to be awesome. So anyway, we're going to get that on the grill, indirect. We've got the Slow N Sear, so it's going to be perfect, right? Let's check this sucker out. We're using some real big chunks of wood lump. We do have water in the trough. And as you can tell by the smoke, I got some hunks of hickory in there as well. So let's get this baby on. Well, let's put the smoky. All right. We're gonna get a meat probe in there. Love smoking food, but dang, once it starts, that smoke is heavy. So anyway, we're getting that sucker going. Lid's not sealed all the way. Oh my goodness, trying to get out of there as fast as I could. Anyway, check in on that. When we hit about 150, 160 degrees, we're gonna wrap it with heavy duty aluminum foil, maybe pop in a little more of that Shire sauce. That's what I'm calling it from now on. This should probably take about 5-6 hours at least, and let it rest for like another hour. It's a beautiful day today. Windy as hell, but hey, while that chuck roast is on the smoker, got a little bit more work done to the shanty. Continuing on. Work in progress, man. Work in progress. Anyway, we're gonna wrap this chuck roast. Is coming up. It's 165. Let's pop the top. Oh yeah. Cheers, folks. All right, let's get some heavy-duty aluminum foil out, and we're gonna wrap this guy. Put the meat probe back in. We're gonna spritz it with a little bit of apple cider vinegar with some water in it, and I've already spritzed it once, about half hour ago. So we're 3 hours in almost, and we're like a 3-pound chuck roast, thick, nice. Anyway, let's check her out. Rock and roll, man. That is gonna be delicious. Oh, and I was putting a roof kit on my car so I can carry a kayak, and this has been just universal kit my ass. I don't know, it's sort of working, but you can see it's still loose. I don't know, as long as a damn canoe or a kayak don't go flying off, we'll be all right. We'll see what happens. Give it a little bit of spritz. This thing looks amazing. Angus Chuck Roast. All right, let's wrap her up. Get her back on the Weber. Finally, summer's here. We are going, where's this garbage? Oh. Next week's 4th of July weekend coming into it. I mean, 4th of July is in the middle of the week, but time is flying by. I mean, it feels like just the warm weather finally got here and the leaves just bloomed. It feels like only not even a month ago. Time goes by way too fast, folks. Take advantage of every moment that you have and live life to the fullest, for real. You have to. Before you know it, it'll be over. That's kind of scary sometimes. Anyway, I say that word way too many goddamn times. We're going to enjoy this chuck roast later on. We're going to do some shrimp as well, and maybe bacon wrap shrimp. I love bacon. Who loves bacon? Comment down below. Anyway, yeah, I said it again. Damn it. All right, folks. Chuck roast coming up on 200 degrees, and we're going to pull that out so we can crisp up that bark. And so probably it'll take like another 20 minutes after that. Then let it rest for a good half hour. If you want to wrap it back up, you can, but then your bark's gonna not be crunchy. Woo! Ooh, yeah. Looking delicious, smelling delicious. All right, we're gonna put together a pasta salad real quick and do some more veg on the, actually I'm not gonna do it on cast iron. Got some new Weber gimmicks I'm gonna use. So let's try that out. Let's cut into this. Look at the smoke ring on that, guys. Dang. Like butter, baby. A little shrimp. Old Bay seasoning. Rocks. Holy shit.
Start a fire, eat some food.
Awesome cook today, guys. Really fantastic day. Beautiful weather. Couldn't beat it. Now we're having some beverages. Well, we have had some. So we're having a bonfire. It's kind of dark out here, but man, it's peaceful. Cheers, folks. Awesome cook today, guys. It is now nighttime and having a few drinks.